By the end of this video, you should be able to add video in text in DaVinci Resolve like you see on screen. Now, let me show you how you can do that. It's super simple. Now, I already have my footage right inside DaVinci Resolve. I'm in the edit page right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this particular footage on the timeline here. This is the footage I want to have in the text. So now you'll notice that we have the video and the audio. They are linked. So to unlink this, just right click and click on link clips. And once you do that, you can now select each of them individually. So you can make different cuts individually. But what we want to do is just click on the audio, press on backspace to delete it. It's gone. Now, that's the first step. Step number 2 is adding the text like effect. So we're going to go to effects, and then we're going to go to the toolbox right here, and then you're going to go to the titles. You'll see lower thirds, etc. But we're interested in the basic title or even the custom title. I'm going to go with this. But before we can actually add it, I'm going to bring up our video to video track 2. Now, let's get our text, bring it down here, and then we can adjust it to where we want it to be. And we'll probably think there's nothing that has happened, but it's because the video track or this particular video is on top of the text. We need to disable this. We'll disable that, and then we're going to see our basic title right here. If I click on it, we can now make the different adjustments we want to make to this particular basic text title. Now, let's go to the title, and this is in the inspector. So if you cannot see this, click on inspector, and then you're going to see the video and then title. What we have here is some rich text. So I'm going to change the title I want back there. Let's just call it something like city. And then I'm going to change the font family to something like impact. I'm going to press on I, click on impact, because it's a bold, very good bold font. And then I'm going to just adjust the size of that particular font to kind of almost fill up everything. There we go, looks good. And we are almost done with placing our video in the text. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to enable the video track on top, and the text is going to disappear. But now here's where the magic happens. Select your video clip here, and then from the inspector ensure you're in the video tab here, and then scroll down. What we're interested in is the composite mode, and by default the composite mode is usually normal. So if I click on the drop down here, I can just navigate to the arrow keys. You'll see if you use the add, what it's going to look like: color, color band, color dodge, darken. You can see what it looks like. Now our video is in the text. So darker color, difference, divide. But of importance to us is darken, because what we had is white text. If you click on darken, that's what we get. If I play this, you can now see that our video is in this particular text. Super awesome and super easy to pull off. So that is how you can add video in text in DaVinci Resolve. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.